Your Pro R was built to go fast and eat up the bumps. It's so good we forget how fast we can get going in it and for how long we can keep our foot in it. Long hard rips at RPM generate heat. Our CVT belt does not like heat. Once it gets hot enough, it's gonna glaze. It's gonna smoke, and just like that, it pops, leaving you stranded on the side of the trail or in the dunes or somewhere out in the woods. Now, we always recommend to carry a spare belt, and if you are in the market for a new belt, why don't you take a look at our complete maintenance package, vehicle specific for the Polaris Pro R owners. It's gonna include a brand new all balls racing heavy duty CVT belt, along with all the critical oils and filters that belong in your Pro R to ensure its longevity and to keep you going down the trail on your next adventure. Tools needed for the job: a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. That's it. That's all you need to do this job at home. The Polaris Pro R has the clutch tool located behind the rear seat on the actual CVT case. Don't lose that. Changing your belt in the field or the elements is a different game. You're still gonna need a 10mm. You're still gonna need a ratchet and an extension. And that's all included in this kit that we offer at UTVSource.com, along with your Polaris Pro R vehicle specific maintenance kit. I'm gonna recommend you pick this up. It has everything you need to change your belt in the dunes, the desert, the snow, the mud, wherever it may be. Have some peace of mind knowing you have the tools. Some tips and tricks on your CVT belt and installation. You're gonna wanna inspect the clutch sheaves. You're gonna wanna clean them with some Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna recommend you use some compressed air or some air and blow out everything in the clutching right now. You wanna keep it clean in there. Now, if you've experienced a blown belt, it's very important that you get all the debris out of the clutch case, away from the bearings. You don't want it to wind up in there and pull into the bearings and everything inside the clutch and break all that stuff. You also want to make sure you remove all the debris off the top of your motor, because there's a vent that kicks out and it just blows it on top of the engine. So you need to get that crap out of there. It's important, it starts fires. If you're inspecting your belt, you're going to want to look for glazing on the side of the belt, warping on the belt, fraying of the belt, delamination of the belt. Those are all signs that your belt's on its way out. They don't last forever, and it's recommended you change them when you're doing all of your maintenance. Now, what do you do with your old belt? If you get this case and you got our maintenance kit, you put your spare belt right here, out of the elements. Now you have a spare. You close it up, you throw it in your Pro R, and you're done. You're ready for your next adventure. All your maintenance is done. You got it done at UTVSource.com. One-click transaction. It's gonna ship to your door. It's as easy as that. You've taken all the thinking out of it. You're gonna get what you need for your Polaris Pro R. We'll see you on the website at UTVSource.com. And remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.